Okay, we're recording.
Hey employee travelers, it's Johnny P. I wanted to let you guys know my Lucifer's lonely. Okay, that was stupid. Please don't add that. If it's your first time watching, my channel is pretty much to help you travel if you have a 9 to 5, as well as share my random life experiences, including moving to LA. Okay, so a lot of you guys have watched my move to LA video, and I've gotten some personal questions on how you can make money as soon as you move out here. So I decided to create a second video to kind of give you guys some ideas and some tips on how to make some shmoney from day one, even before day one, so that you can grind and shine. Okay, so if you're watching this video, there's something in your mind telling you, hey, I want to probably move to LA, so I'm gonna research this. The fact that you even want to move to LA shows how much of a creative person you are, and I say you should definitely do it, because why not and why wait? And if you don't do it, you're gonna keep on wondering. And that's why I'm here, because I'm gonna help you come out here and succeed with these tips. So if you've seen my move to LA video, or if you haven't, I would definitely check it out. In that video, I discussed how much money you should bring out here and other general tips on my whole process. But in this video, I'm really just gonna break it down, keep it quick, simple, and easy, and give you some really cool, unique, and effective ways to make money out here as soon as you land in the city of Los Angeles. Be sure to stay till the end of this video, because I'm gonna share with you one way to make money you can only do here in LA. It probably wouldn't work anywhere else. And it's a pretty crazy and effective tip on how you can make money. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I am trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers and you guys will help me so much by clicking that subscribe button. Alright, so we're gonna get into this. How to make shmoney in LA. Okay, TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a really cool way to make money in a big city. It's actually a really popular thing here in LA. A lot of people use TaskRabbit to earn income, and the coolest thing about TaskRabbit is it's on your own time. It's not like a 9 to 5, and you can pretty much choose whatever schedule. So what TaskRabbit is you can join to be a tasker. And with being a tasker, you pretty much go onto their site and people are gonna post tasks that they need to get done. These tasks can be anything from any end of the spectrum. Here are a few unique ones. There's a family who eats fresh vegetables and they needed someone to chop up their vegetables every week on Sunday. So they posted on TaskRabbit that they just needed someone to cut up a whole bunch of vegetables and pay them around $30 to $50 just every Sunday. How easy is that? Another tasker had a task where a boyfriend and a girlfriend broke up. The boyfriend didn't want to see the girlfriend and needed someone to bring her belongings to her. So he paid someone about $50 to bring his ex-girlfriend some of her stuff. Like, here's your stuff.
Excuse me? Who are you? I'm not the new girlfriend.
I'm not the new girl. I was the side chick the whole time.
Here, bitch. He was me now.
So it's a really unique way. A lot of people use it for other more standard things like, hey, I need someone to do my laundry, or I need someone to just do a simple task. So definitely check out TaskRabbit. Alright, the next cool way to make money in LA is through Wag. Now, Wag is pretty much an app where you can walk dogs and you can choose this based on your own schedule. It's pretty simple. I would definitely check it out, but pretty much you're going to be a dog walker. On average, you're going to make around $25 an hour. People can leave high tips for you. There was one time I walked a dog in Beverly Hills. The person tipped me an additional $20. So if you love dogs, you like working out, and you want to make money, join Wag. I think I have a referral code, so I'm going to add it below if you want to join and walk dogs. And if you combine this with Uber or Lyft, you can make up to probably $60,000 a year. So check it out. Alright, another way you can make money is by charging scooters. If you see all the Lime, Lyft, and Bird scooters all around LA, those things need to be charged. And I Googled it for you guys to see how much money you'll make from charging a scooter. Google says You can earn between $3 and $7 per charged bird scooter. That's an average of $5 per scooter. The electricity costs about 25 cents if the scooter is close to empty. You can probably pick up about 20 scooters per night and fully charge them. There you go, charge them scooters, make that money. Pretty easy work. I mean, except for carrying dirty scooters, but yeah, check that out. All right, the next way to make money is by joining a staffing company. So there's actually this really cool staffing company. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but it's called Elevate. And there are also a few different staffing companies around LA, but pretty much they staff random events. So I still get emails from them where, let's say the Oscars is coming and someone wants to throw an Oscars mansion party and they need servers at their mansion party. They'll put a posting on there and you can volunteer to be an usher or just like be a server at the party. So that's a really cool, easy way to make money. They also do things like concert venues. They'll need someone to serve beer just from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. or pass out popcorn. It's a really cool way because you're not stuck in a schedule, but you get to pick up these gigs whenever you want, and they pretty much pay decent, like $20, $30 an hour. So definitely look for a staffing company. A good one to look for is Elevate. And last but not least, here's the secret way to make money in LA. Believe it or not, it's kind of old school, but it's very effective. So I learned this from my best friend Yessie because she's always walking around LA walking dogs. She sees a lot of street lamps or street posts with people that have their service and their phone number tabs that you can grab. Kind of like when someone posts a lost dog sign, they add their phone number for you to message them in case you find their dog. We've seen it for cleaning services. We've seen it for creative services. I've seen one before where someone wanted to find a date. They put their picture up, said, I need a man and I'm single, and they put their phone number and their Instagram handle and everything, and people grabbed it. So if you're really trying to hustle out in LA, that is one secret that the city will allow you to do and offer. And that's it. Those are some unique, crazy, and fun ways you can earn some money as soon as you get to LA. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are planning your move here, comment below on where you're at. If you have any questions, who knows, you can probably help someone else out who's looking to move out here. Please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. And I love you guys so much. Until the next video, peace out. Johnny P.